Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Hello. It's not a doom pile project as much as it's a doom pile supply that I've had sitting in my supplies forever. And I want to say I got this. I know I got it during the pandemic lockdown. I bought a lot of stuff during that pandemic lockdown and I didn't do anything with this one. So this is Let's Resin's silicone rubber mold making kit. So if you pour resin, you know, you have silicone molds and silicone. I don't know. The molds, the little rubbery molds that you make critters and, you know, all this stuff with. Well, this is so that you can make your own mold. And I thought it would be great for detail pieces like the little, you know, or a handle or blah, 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 blah. Well, I never got around to it. This is still, as yet, unopened bottles. I mean, factory sealed. These legitimately have no directions. Okay. Huh, my kind of project. No directions. It's okay, I wasn't going to read them anyway. I never got around to it. And I don't have anything really that I want to make a mold out of. However, that's never stopped me before, right? So I decided that what I would like a mold of is this little cameo brooch. This is one of the cameos I have. This one's not an antique. It's not particularly old. It was a newer one that I bought for myself because it had the blue cameo background. And back when I was wearing pins like all the freaking time. Like I used to wear suits and I would always have a pin on the suit. And I don't have to wear suits anymore, so the pins have just started gathering dust. I do have one that's smaller than this that is an antique that I will not be using in a project like this because I don't know how this is going to affect this. This is just plastic. It's just plastic. It's just got the look. Even the metal isn't real metal. I mean, it's real, but it's not like gold or anything. But what I have is I have a tart tin, which is like the perfect size for making a little mold of this cameo. And then here's what I did. I've already thought this through because I don't want to get it too deep. What I did was I took the cameo and I took my flat pencil and I just marked like where the line should be for the mold, for the resin silicone. Can I see it? Yeah, it's right there. So inside here, right there, I have a pencil mark so that I know fill to about this level. So I don't end up like getting it way too deep and have my piece in there. I mean, at the same time, I want it a little thicker on the bottom, don't I? Wish they had directions that I wouldn't read anyway. Non-toxic, no odor, bubble free. That's it. A and B, that's all it says, non-toxic. There's no directions on the back of the bottle. I feel like I should go Google this. I might have to Google this. Let me look and see what they like. Should I put Vaseline on my brooch? Which gross. Do I put down a layer, let it dry, and then put a layer on top of it so that's thick enough on the bottom? I have questions. And there's no answer on this box. There's no directions in the box, and it's never been opened. This got set on the shelf. So I didn't take the directions out. Google. I've encountered a problem. So 100% every piece that they're doing, the resin is poured on top. So they all have flat backs. They're gluing them down in place and then pouring the resin over, not putting them down into the resin. This is problematic for me because I don't have a way to make this a flat back. My brain thinks it has a solution. You're going to have to go with me on this one because even I'm doubtful. But it involves covering the back with tin foil, like this. Actually, we're going to probably just wrap the whole back. We want this part to be covered really well. And wrap it in tin foil. You can fill in the back so it's flat. Yes, I burned myself. Shut up. Well, hell, I just did it. Okay. I may end up ruining this thing, and it's gonna have to be okay. I'm gonna have to make it okay in my brain, because... All right, what's going on here? Come on out of there. And I know you can't see it, but I poured to the first line of this cup a B and an A. Now I'm just going to mix them together. The white cup doesn't help that the liquid is also white. Good planning on my part. Gosh, do I have enough? Probably not. Doesn't look like I do. Darn it. Well, there's no turning back now. Definitely not enough. Okay. Take that first line. To the first line. All right. Now we wait. Yeah, so now we wait. To all manufacturers of anything, directions are always good. Just seriously. Just a little 24 to 48 hours to dry, 12 hours, 2 hours, whatever. Whatever. There's nothing. There's nothing. So, wish me luck. 72 hours. That's the answer. 72 hours is how long this took to dry. So we're 3 days later. Let's see if it worked. Nervous, excited, worried, all of the above. Oh, maybe probably pick something without a lip. Oh, I got it. I got an edge. That didn't work. Okay, let's cut around it. It's not very deep, so I'm thinking it's just... What did I just knock over back there? Oh, you can't see that yet. I'm just gonna take a knife and cut around where the cameo is. Oh my gosh, it's working. I think she's okay. Make sure all the mechanisms in the back are okay. Yep. Ah, brilliant. Got a little bit of gunk in there, but nothing I can't clean out. So I still have a functioning cameo. Do you see her in there? Of course we're going to have to pour it. Yeah, we got to pour it. Look at the detail on her. Yeah, that's good. It's really good. Can you see the detail in there? It's really good. All right, I'm going to mix up some resin. We're going to pour a cameo. I have some alcohol ink I'm going to color it with. This is the color Stream. I ended up not liking the color Stream. It turned out a little green, and I think because this is very yellow resin, so I put a little purple in there. Put this one in there. Wild Plum. And I got my blue. So, yay. That's what I want. I think we're good. We're good. All right, it's time to unmold our cameo. Let's see how we did. Making our own mold. Ooh, oh. Oh, she's perfect. I know you can't really see her, can you? The detail is perfect. Look at the detail. I like this. Okay, what else can we mold? I like it a lot. I don't know what I'm going to use this cameo on, but I think I'm going to have to figure out, like, what else could we do with it? I mean, obviously, this could be a cameo. I could just finish it off in the resin, paint up her face and stuff, and put a pin back. I got pin backs. Of course I have pin backs, you guys. Of course I do. But as of right now, it's just a very cool little cameo. And I just wanted to see the detail on this mold, because this is what the video was about, was could we make a mold, or how well does this work? Really well. I am going to be molding something. I don't know. Trim pieces? So I don't have to keep buying them? Ooh. You know, those ones that I buy that you could put on mirrors and stuff? They're a bit pricey sometimes. We could make our own mold. Drawer pulls. Drawer pulls would be great. Old drawer pulls to mimic the vintage drawer pulls. You'll see it again. You're going to see this again. I am really happy, though, with the detail on that. That's so good. It's not missing any part of that cameo. Like, honest to God, the detail is just perfect. It's perfect. Every hair on her head, everything. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. What can I use this on now? I don't know. Like, I'll have to find a cabinet or something and put this on the center of the door. I don't know. Now I've got something else I got to figure out what to do with. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.